It's the Heritage Company.
Yes. Well, that's an angle thing, isn't it? Some kind of tool that.
That's for sharpening saws.
This is. I thought it pivots, right?
Yep,
See,
you put the saw in there and you clamp it in the vise.
And then the blade would be up here or something, or the other way.
Actually, there, so that you can because you file at an angle.
Huh. I've seen that thing here for 10 years and wonder what it was. Thank you.
You're welcome. On that channel, I'm doing a series on repairing called a Littlestown vise.
Yeah.
And it's a cheap little vise. They made them in the 20s on up. I've got thousands of people interested in it.
Well, really?
Yeah, it's just
we can't sell vices here. I don't understand it. I mean, it'd be hard pressed to find that out there in the public.
Yeah.
It's something you could afford.
I was buying them for $10 at flea markets and selling them for 40. And I thought I was robbing people. Now they're a couple $100.
Welcome to inflation.
Yep. Oh, and people are buying them too. That's the crazy thing. You can mark any price on anything that you want, but if nobody buys it, that's not the price. But I'm more selling them to get rid of them because I got so darn many things. I work on something every week. That means I have 52 projects to turn over every year. And I ended up with a workshop so full of stuff I couldn't walk. Hi, Rodger.
I don't know, I just get stuff in.
That looks like something that
I mean, it went to,
would be on a Traverse points. You'd put it on a rail,
oh, yeah.
you'd slide it out, lock
yeah.
it,
And then yeah.
and use that to mark the spot.
Oh, yeah.
Trammel points, not travel. Trammel points.
Is that your something you're trying to make? Or is that?
Something I'm buying from you.
Oh, that we have?
Yep. This is for sharpening saws.
Ooh, where did?
The handle goes in there. The blade slides up here, and because you got to put, I forget what they call it. Anyways, in the gullet, you want to put an angle like this.
Yeah.
So they put a taper on that.
It's so weird. They get stuff in this. I've never even seen it.
Well, it's not hard to do.
Yeah, right.
It's not hard to do in a place like this.
Yeah,
You got so much stuff.
Yeah. Well, thanks. Well, thanks for posting on for us. It's a gift for you. So.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm going to tell people this is what you want because I sharpen saws and I show people how to sharpen saws. So they're saying, well, where do I get one? I had to try and buy one of those things. They're crazy money. I said, why don't you pick one? So now I can say, and this is another way to do it.
Yeah.
Because I've made 2 or 3 different kind of things. But I like this one because it's small, goes right on the workbench, works good. And I'm thinking, why didn't I think of this before?
Oh, that's great.
Cool.
Good, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to leave this here on the table,
Yeah, okay.
and I'll walk around a bit.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks again, Rodger.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Huh. My grandfather Snyder had one of those on the front porch. Except it didn't have a light on it. It was just a doorstop.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm gonna get Tom. Your pickup is here.
Okay. Will that, can you get that loop back on there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go help the lady.
Okay. Yeah. Shoot.
If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.